Hello everyone! Today on Autodesk Fusion 360, I'm going to show you how to create a sketch today. So we see this Create tab here, as well as all these buttons on the top, and it should be the first button to the left saying Create Sketch. And you should read, use sketch mode to create basic geometry profiles that define the design. First, select a construction plane, then create lines, arcs, points, and use dimensions to constrain the boundaries. Sketches are used with 3D creation commands such as extrude. So I want you to click on this. Then you have to pick a plane. Please be between the green and red lines. So now it should look like you're on a piece of paper, like it's two-dimensional. Then you see that this fifth tab comes up called Sketch. That's where you want to be, and all these different buttons come up right here. And in this box, you can click Finish Sketch, or up here you can click Finish Sketch. So I'll be showing you the different ways you can create a sketch. Let's just try a line for now. Just a simple line. And you can make simple shapes. So I made like an octagon sort of shape. You create other shapes as well. Let's say you wanted to make a circle. Then this fifth point split line, I'll explain in a minute. A 2-point rectangle, so you have to choose between the 2 points. And you'll realize this making sketches is a lot like creating a box, cylinder, sphere that I showed in my last video. So let's say you're fine with this object right here. You can click Finish Sketch, or any object that you're making. You can right click and press or pull, and then you can pull it up. So you have your very own shape you created and you made it your own. You can't do that with like a box or a cylinder or a sphere. So let's say you're not happy with what you did. So you can go back to this timeline. It shows everything you done on the bottom. You can right click and edit. So let's say you just wanted to you can edit the sketch. And I would like to point out that if you want to use like the extrude or press or pull buttons, then your sketch must be closed. Like right now it's not closed. So I have to get a line and close it. Now I'll show you the 5th point split line. So it might just look like an ordinary line right now, but if you click the second point, this line curves. That's not like the ordinary line. Ordinary lines are usually straight, but this one curves a lot. And I noticed that you can alternate between a split line and a normal line. I can demonstrate. So let's say you wanted to make a curve here, but then you want a line next. Then you can go back to the split line. And so on. So I just made this random shape. Also, please check that this can be extrudable or press and pullable, because if it's not, then there's technically no point to the drawing. And if you go down to the expect, you can measure as well. So let's say I want to measure from here to here, 60 millimeters, and so on. So you just finish sketch, and now we're back here. So you can make lots of shapes with sketches, not just simple shapes. I have seen where people import a photo from their computer and sketch it, then extrude it. And I'll be showing you how to import a photo in one of my next videos. But for right now, my next video is going to show you how to create a coil and a pipe. That's all for this video, so goodbye.